Hi everyone, it's Dan Fogel. I want to give you a brief tutorial on how to interact with some of the reference material for the Master Study project. You can see here I have got all of the issues of Drawing School magazine downloaded to my hard drive, and I have them put into a folder that I've labeled. So when you download them from the internet on Canvas, it ought to look like this, and you should be able to organize it by file name. I want you to go through and click on all of these, but what I want to do is talk to you about how to get files you want out of them. So let's go ahead and click this one open. Okay, that's going to pop open, and I'm going to resize that so it's fitting in the recorder here. So this is just preview, which comes on your Mac. Hopefully you have something like that on your PC. There should be some similar kind of picture viewer and directory kind of capability on any computer that you have. So when you first open these things, what you may not realize is there's a lot of pages in there. 220 pages, so that's a lot. It's hard to view these things, so what I recommend is you go to Contact Sheet or something similar. Sometimes maybe it's called a tile view, but you want to get somewhere where you can get an overview of the whole book. You can see the thumbnails, and the drawings and the things that you want to copy are going to be further down. So you should just start to scroll through these things. You can double click on images that are of interest to you, have a closer look at them, and then I need to go back to Contact Sheet. If I find something I like, what I can do is right click on that and then get something that says Export. So I'll go ahead and export that. I have an opportunity here to edit this file name, which I definitely recommend because it can be hard to find again if everything is all the same. Let's go ahead and save that, and I'll continue on and look for other files in this issue that are of interest to me. I recommend if you see something you like, you just click on it. You don't censor yourself too much. It had an interest to you. It's better to just download it, save it, so that you have it. And then you don't have to go back and search for it again. Export a few of these and start to work on my collection. I probably should also export these as a PDF, as a JPEG too. If you can remember, either way it's gonna be fine, but it's a little more useful, I think, to have them as a JPEG. Alright everyone, that is my brief lesson on how to use this Drawing School magazine, which are all the issues are now available for you to download on Canvas, and should become a substantial part of your reference work for this Master Study project.